Hi, Assalamu alaikum. This is Noshab. Today we are going to discuss an important topic of the English grammar, the narration. You know very well there are the two types of narration, direct speech and indirect speech. Well, today I am trying my level best to teach you this important topic, narration, the direct and indirect speech. Now, the rules of changing direct into indirect speech. First of all, change of tenses. If the verb of the reporting speech is in the present or future tense, there will be no change in the verb of the reported speech. For example, in the direct speech, we say, Rahim says, I get up early in the morning. In the indirect, Rahim says that he gets up early in the morning. And then another example of the direct speech, Rahim will say, in the future, we say, Rahim will say, I do not take eggs. In the indirect speech, Rahim will say that he does not take eggs. Number 2 point is that if the reporting verb is in the past tense, we shall note the following changes in the verb of the reporting speech. Present indefinite tense into past indefinite tense. For example of the direct speech, he said, I like this book. In the indirect, he said that he liked that book. Now this change into that. Because of the many adverbial changings, this change into that, now change into then, here change into there, hence change into thence, yesterday change into the previous day, tomorrow change into the next day. These are the some important changings of direct into indirect speech in the past condition. If the reported speech is in the past, suppose that if there is said, he said, she said, Aslam said, we said, then the next clause, next sentence, if it is in the present tense, must be changed into past tense. Present perfect change into past perfect. Present continuous change into past continuous tense. And past perfect continuous change into same past perfect. Can change into could. Will change into would. Shall change into should. May change into might. And then present perfect tense into past perfect tense. For example, he said, I have broken the leg of the chair. In the indirect, he said that, or he told. Said change into told, or we can say said. He said that he had broken the leg of the chair. Now have or has change into had. And present perfect continuous tense into past perfect continuous tense, we say, he said, I have been suffering from fever since Monday. In the indirect, we say, he said that he had been suffering from fever since Monday. And then past indefinite tense into past perfect tense. For example, we say, he said, I went to Karachi. In the indirect, he said that he had gone to Karachi. Rihan said, I lived many years in Japan. In the indirect, we say, Rihan said that he had lived many years in Japan. We say, Aslam said, I may study here. Aslam said that, or Aslam told that he might study there. May change into might and here change into there. We say, she said, I can speak now. In the indirect, he said that, or he told that, or she told that, or she said that she might speak then. Now may change into might, can change into could, and here change into there, now change into then. So we say she could speak then. And the past continuous tense into past perfect continuous tense. If we say, we do not change past perfect and past continuous tense into any other tense when the reported speech expresses a universal truth. Next point is, when the reported speech expresses a universal truth or habitual action, we do not change the tense of the reporting speech. For example, in the direct, we say, he said the earth moves around the sun. This is the universal truth, so we don't use present into past. We say in indirect, he said that the earth moves around the sun. Another example, he said there are 30 days in November. He said that there are 30 days in November. In the direct, he said the Muslims believe in one God. In the indirect, we say, he said that Muslims believe in one God. In the direct example, we say, Salim said honesty is the best policy. This is the proverb, honesty is the best policy. So we don't use present into past because it's a universal truth. We say, Salim said that honesty is the best policy. In the direct speech, he said barking dogs seldom bite. In direct, he said that barking dogs seldom bite. This is the universal truth. We say, to err is human. Vakar said, to err is human. Vakar said that to err is human. So we don't change present into past tense if there is a sentence or a phrase of present tense, or the sentence or the proverb is in the present tense. So proverb usually don't change into past. We remain same in the present. Hope you understand my little bit introduction of the direct speech and indirect speech. And again, I want to tell you that just you have to practice on the direct speech and the indirect speech. If you feel any kind of difficulty, then feel free to contact with me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.